Eileen for In the Know Traveler. I'm standing here with Annie from the beautiful and exotic Philippines. Now, Annie, what's new with the Philippines in 2008?
Well, right now we're focusing on spa and wellness, diving, and what's the other one? You're gonna edit this, right?
Diving, exotic excursions. Also, I hear that Boracay has some of the most beautiful scuba diving in the world. Is that right?
Yes. We're promoting right now a tour to Boracay. We're featuring 4 nights and 2 nights in Manila, and well, of course, you know that Boracay was featured in Yahoo Travel Best Beaches in the World.
Beautiful beaches. Now, what else can American tourists look for in the Philippines other than the gorgeous beaches and the wonderful scuba diving? What else is in the Philippines for us?
Well, of course, there's culture and heritage. We have a blend of influences. We were under the Spanish for more than 300 years. And of course, our ancestors were Malays. So you can find the variety and diversity in the Philippines.
Sounds wonderful, and great shopping. I see your beautiful pearls.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, well, especially from Davao and from Palawan, we have the beautiful pearls, South Sea pearls.
Yeah, well, exotic, beautiful Philippines. Something for everybody. This is Eileen for In the Know Traveler, and now you are in the know about the Philippines.